On this 2006 Hummer H3, I already took out the tips for the sunroof drain hose, but every now and then I still get water inside the cabin because it still clogs up. And as you can see, I already cut out the carpeting, so it makes it easier for me to dry out the carpet and wipe off all the wetness that's on the cabin. But if you don't use the sunroof that much and you just want to get rid of the sunroof problem, may I suggest just duct tape it. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. If you're here and you have a Hummer H3 with a sunroof issue, then you know that the sunroof drains always clogs up. Now your sunroof drain has 4 drain holes, 2 in front on the driver side and passenger side footwell, and 2 at the rear where it goes through the pillar of the truck. The 2 drain holes in the front are somewhat easy to get to. But the one at the back is a little complicated because you have to remove the panel trims inside and the cladding on the exterior. And it is a little complicated to remove those parts. So just like me, I did remove the front tips on the hose, which is causing the clogging issue, but I haven't had a chance to remove the ones at the back. So if you don't use your sunroof and you just want a temporary fix or alternative fix to get rid of the leak that lets water inside the cabin, then may I just suggest to use duct tape to cover the sunroof. It would be a lot easier than taking out the trim panels inside and the exterior cladding for the rear sunroof drains. This is the driver's side footwell, and this is the hose that comes from the sunroof drain. And as you can see when I pull it out, I don't have the tip that is clogging the sunroof drain. But even without that, every now and then this would clog up. So when this happens, you would normally need to pull off the carpet and dry off the bottom of the carpeting. Just a quick update, I was able to buy black duct tape, so I think this would match the car better instead of the transparent one. So we're gonna use this. Alright, so I'm gonna do horizontal first, then do it vertically. So with the duct tape, cover half with the sunroof and half with the body of the vehicle. Okay, I'm not 100% satisfied with my first dry run, so I'm gonna redo it. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. If you're here, you know that then you know that this Hummer H3 has a sunroof issue. If you have a sunroof, then if you're here and you have a Hummer H3, then if you're here and you have Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something If you're here and you have a Hummer H and that is my alternative fix or temporary fix to stop water from getting inside a cabin.